Hello, my name is Jeremy Randall, and in this video we are going to start to build our first web page. Before we can get started though, we will take a look at a few simple terms. HTML is the foundation for building and displaying web pages. It's the standardized language used to write documents which browsers use to render a web page. The items that appear on web pages are named using tags. There are a number of tags to choose from, and we will introduce them throughout the series of these courses. An element is the building block of the web page. It is composed of a tag and any included content. There are some basic rules for composing an element, such as the element starts with an opening tag, the element contains content, which can also be other elements, and there is typically a closing tag to end the element definition. Let's build the web page. To get started, all we need are a simple text editor and a browser to test it. In this example, I'm going to be using Notepad to write our HTML document. The first line that we're going to write is the doc type tag. This tells the browser anything coming in is an HTML document. The next line we'll write is the HTML tag. I'll write the opening and closing tag at once. Anything contained within the HTML tag is the actual HTML that forms the document. Within the HTML, there's two basic sections we need, the head and the body. And we'll fill those out here in a second. Within the head, we're going to give the page a title. So in this case, we'll say my web page. The next thing we'll do is add some content into the body, and we'll just say welcome. We'll save this off, and then we'll go into the browser and browse to that page. I'll double click on the icon, and there we are. You could see that my web page is in the tab, and welcome is the content of the page. Now let's make this a little more interesting. We'll just go in, we'll add another line. Goals will be listed here. We'll save this off, bounce over to the browser, refresh the page, and then we can see our updated web page. In just a couple minutes, we were able to build a web page, and we also introduced the following elements. In upcoming videos, we will broaden the number of elements that we'll introduce, and we'll start to add some more interesting features to our page. So continue to look for those. In the meantime, if you have any questions, comments, or if there's something you'd like me to talk about, please feel free to put them in the comments below.